In this video, I'm going to explain as a teacher how you can enter marks for student. So to start with that, you can click on a module called Gradebook. There are two things as a teacher you can do. One, you can enter the grade or skills, or you can enter the comment against that particular uh, student. Now, as the gradebook not configured here, I'm going to take an help from another site. So for example, I have here. So as a teacher, I have selected a grade 1A semester 1, subject as English, and then exam category. So these are different categories which I have configured. And when I say get mark, I am able to see the marks there. Because the mark entry period is over, it is not allowing me to enter any mark. So let me try to see and get another mark. So this teacher has already finished mark entry on 22nd. So I'm not able to edit. So here the teacher will be doing mark entry. Now teacher will be able to download that into Excel as well. So in case they want to keep a backup or this has to be uploaded into any government sites, this can be done, and this comes as a plain Excel sheet with student number, student name, and then the marks for that particular exam. So that's for the mark entry. So teacher can also download that Excel, update the mark and upload it from here. So that's possible. Now the second part which is there is a comment entry. So we can even also enter the comment for any particular subject which teacher is teaching. So for example, I have subject and this is the subject which I am teaching. So I'll be able to write the comment here. So this teacher can decide on what to comment they should write. So this also teacher can save or download it in Excel to keep a backup. Now that's only the teacher's part, but as an admin, there is an option in Gradebook that these marks will be approved by supervisor or head of the section from the approve mark. Once the marks are approved, the next step is it will be published to parent. So there is an report card, different report card, primary, different for secondary, and so on. So that will be available for parent as well as teacher. Also, as an admin, you can see the approval status, or you can bulk export the data for the gradebook, which will help you to create different analysis report from system. Thank you.